I forgot. I have my response. Okay. I was like,
Sneezes in your mouth while you're talking. Sorry. But you would instantly if someone did that.
I would do more than that. Yeah.
You silent for like a good 4 seconds.
Yes, I think so.
Like if like you started like talking to somebody that just perfectly turned and like perfectly sneezed into your mouth.
Oh, God. It's so upsetting.
And they're like, "There's one for the road, bitch."
Make it as clear as possible that that they did it on purpose.
Yeah.